The easy steps. The Lumitec light control substitutes your conventional switch. If you have two light switch, you should install a 2 zones Illumitec light control. The light control could be installed in a standard 2x4 inches wall back box. Better if plastic. For the electrical connection, follow the next steps. Turn off the main power switch. Connect white wire to neutral and isolate it. Neutral usually comes in white color. Red wire usually identify load circuits or zones. This should be connected and isolated. Last, you should connect and isolate the black wire to the power line. Different scenarios can be plugged to a ladder switch. Therefore, you'll need a push button. Blue cable corresponds to scenario 1 and must be plugged to a 4-wire cable. A phone wire could be used or a UTP. One end must be plugged to the blue wire and the other to the common identified in orange and white. And so forth, with green cable for scenario 2 and orange for scenario 3. The quantity of scenarios varies according model. Once all wires are plugged, turn on the main power switch and check that it works correctly. Fix the control to the back box, using a screwdriver, verifying that it doesn't block any other cable and that everything keeps aligned. Put the front cover, avoiding air bubbles between surfaces, and finally the frame.
Datiotech, technology for a sustainable world.